Hello, in front of me I've got OMODA 9. In this video I'll show you voice commands and personal assistant tips. In the beginning, let's take a look at the settings of the car. Enter local settings and voice. Here, you can enable continuous dialog time. When enabled, the system responds to voice commands without waking up. Next, you can change sound source localization. Drivers and front passenger voices can be recognized in response to the driver's or front passenger's voice. Select between off, driver or auto. Next, you can enable wake up word, which is Hey OMODA. You can enable display voice commands. And next, you can manage permission settings and privacy policy. To wake the assistant on, simply say Hello OMODA. What are the commands? Next, you can simply press this button. Show me commands. Unfortunately, not every voice is recognized well. But basically, that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.